Mass spec beta-glucuronidase is specifically designed for single-step, automation-ready hydrolysis of drug glucuronides for urine drug testing applications in forensic and clinical toxicology lab settings. Not sure where to start? Our Quick Start Guide can get you started with a reliable dilute and shoot method. When running multiple routine samples, it is handy to have a master mix prepared. Thanks to the stability of MS Beta-Gluc, you can prepare this mixture weekly and have it ready to go. Store on the bench or for long term in the fridge. Be sure to check the stability of any internal standards before deciding on storage conditions. To show how quick and easy this method is, we are going to start the clock. When samples arrive, or if you are preparing multiple samples in parallel, simply follow the Quick Start Guide and add 180 microliter of master mix to 20 microliter of urine. The reaction has started. With a dilute and shoot workflow, there is no need for centrifugation or oven incubation. You can place your samples directly onto your autosampler and walk away. Just make sure your program allows enough time for the first sample to complete the reaction before the injection. 30 minutes for room temperature or 16 minutes for 40 degrees C. Some analytes will complete much faster. Thanks to our total quality management systems, you can rest assured you have reliable and reproducible recovery. While we have shown you a dilute and shoot workflow, MS Beta-Gluc is compatible with nearly any workflow, including filtration and SPE. It can be adapted to suit your needs. Please contact our tech service professionals if you have any questions.